In 2017, the Philippine Coast Guard, PCG, has shown its intent to acquire American-made small boats similar to the Defender-class response boat small of the U.S. Coast Guard. This is to allow the PCG to enhance its inshore maritime security capabilities, which includes maritime law enforcement, MARLEN, and search and rescue, SAR. This led to the 9.8-meter high-speed response boat small, HSRB-S, acquisition project, which calls for the acquisition of aluminium-hulled fast boats through U.S. Foreign Military Sales, USFMS, program due to the participation of the U.S. in financing the program. Overview. The PCG is in need of increasing the size of its inshore and offshore surface assets due to obsolescence of most of its assets. Prior to the acquisition of these boats, the only fast small boat assets of the PCG are either 7-meter rigid hull inflatable boats, RHIB, or the larger Vietnam War-era Swift-class patrol boats. While the RIBs are fast movers and quite new, they are limited by their size and hull type, which is only good for certain MARLEN missions depending on sea conditions. Meanwhile, the Swift Mk.1 to Mk.3 patrol boats are too old and are not running at the same speed as they used to. According to sources, these boats are only good at running below 20 knots, far from the previous operating speeds when they were new in the 1960s-1970s. The U.S. government has offered to provide financial assistance to the Philippine Coast Guard in 2017, as the PCG requested for the acquisition of new small fast boats to slot in above the RIBs. Due to U.S. participation, it is certain that the project will be done under U.S. Foreign Military Sales, FMS, program, since U.S. financial aid can only be made when acquiring U.S.-made products. In 2018, Max Defense was informed by sources that the boats to be acquired were awarded to Metal Shark Boats USA based in Louisiana. No mention was made on which model will be delivered, but based on the size requirements, it appears to be the Defiant 32, which fits the bill based on the products offered by Metal Shark. Defiant 32 means that it is from the Defiant series of patrol boats, with 32 meaning 32 feet in length. Although there are information provided to Max Defense saying that the PCG requires 12 units, there's no further confirmation if a confirmed order of 12 was made. Latest update in April 10, 2020. Two of the PCG's Defiant 32 high-speed response boats were used to meet the new offshore patrol vessel Gabriela Silang, OPV 8301, as it arrives in Manila for the first time as part of its delivery cruise from France. For full article, please read in the link source in video description.